Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Whoo-wee! It is big, it is bad, it is beautiful. Today, we are going to be taking a tour of the 2026 ShowHauler Adventure A4501. This thing's only got 1,400 miles on this bad boy down here at the Motorcoach Store in Bradenton, Florida. And we are in for a treat. This thing is obviously stunning. It is big, bad, and beautiful, like I just said. The Freightliner chassis, I mean, look at the front of this thing. When you are driving this down the road, tell me you are not turning heads. And the craziest part about this is when you walk inside, it is just beautiful. It is light, bright, and beautiful. You guys are gonna really like it. If you guys don't mind, since I am down here and I'd love to get invited back, drop a comment, say hello, hit that like. You don't have to share or nothing unless you want to. But man, 832,473 smackaroonies. Now I'm gonna put all the specs, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, down in the description. Here are a couple of them, here right now if you wanna take a look. Like, you're sitting on the Detroit, engine, you got the Freightliner chassis, the Detroit D12 transmission, 600 horsepower on this bad boy, and you got an Onan generator. I mean, really, this is just luxury travel. Let's go ahead, I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and get on in these sides. Look at the paint job though. Kid in a freaking candy shop. Now the crazy thing about this Motorcoach Store is it's not like they're light on inventory. So if you guys have a pretty penny to spend, this would be a fantastic place to check out. Highly recommend you guys give them a call. And after walking around and spending the last day or two here, man, they really go through and do the extra mile. Like this thing's got like, if there's like a rock chip or something, like even like mine, or they take the little paintbrush and they nick it up. Man, it's just pretty darn cool. There's the 2674 if you guys do want to take a look at it. Look at how the steps just come out. Pinkies up, highfalutin stuff here in the ShowHauler. But let's have some fun on this tour because I don't know when I'll be back to a place like this. I'm shooting about 10 to 12 units that they're just fantastic. I mean, I'm just having a great day. I don't even know how else to say it. The front of this thing, we'll get back to it, but pretty darn incredible. I've driven around in a lot of different Tiffin motorhomes, and this thing is just smoking it. Plus, it's crazy. And then like right here, you push down, you can see it's got the air compression seats, which I'll show you a little bit more when a big boy sits in it. But boom, 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 boom. I don't know why I'm doing Star Wars noises, but this is incredible. Look at that, light, bright, and beautiful. The flooring, a lot of you guys are gonna like it. I posted one semi-similar to this, one of these big old Super Cs, Super Duper C, and it had the tile that was shining like justice. People were making some comments saying they didn't like it being so shiny, that it looked slippery. They're not slippery, but this one is not shiny, so you should like it quite a bit. You're gonna get 4 slides on this. I love the fact that you have the black appliances with the gold handles. This is gonna be that the Cafe brand, as well. So you have your dinette, your recliners. Notice how once you get into the steps, there is nothing else impeding you from just walking flat all the way through, which is pretty darn cool. You're gonna get a little extra sleeping right here. I mean, I love the ceiling is super nice. No exposed AC, so you just have the ducting running all through. The AC is actually running at full blast, and on the top of this thing, it's got some solar panels, as well. You got your MCD shades to create a little bit of shade for you, and I'll come back and do a couple of these things, open up all the storage. I want to give you a nice little overhaul, of the unit. The induction cooktop, dishwasher, obviously the cafe appliances kind of all throughout. I mean, look at the sink. Like even this is fantastic. Silicone. That's just nice. What do you guys think? You got the glow? I mean, my wife would put her crystals right there. She'd be having an absolute blast. And then you got your touchscreen controls, right here. Again, we'll get back to it. Just want to give you that quick little overview. And then the soft touch. Nice little half bath Arunski. We'll be back to you. Washer and dryer too will be right on over here. But then look at this bedroom. I mean, pretty darn snazzy all the way around. It's just a ton of storage, but it is super light and bright. I mean, you can get it in darker if you would like. But I'll tell you, this thing just looks fantastic. You got a mirror for the old bowling gun, baby. A little bit of, let me see here. How do you open that thing up? You got, well, we'll get back to it here in a second. And then the and then the bathroom. So now that you got a quick little overhaul, you know, of the unit itself, I'm going to go back in front. We'll start getting into all of the different storage areas and things like that. Then we're going to head around the outside where I'll open everything up and you are good to go. Now, just for size reference when you're walking through, because I am a bigger guy, so you can get a little bit of a better view on what it's like to have a big person. One thing that I appreciate is going to be the size of the recliners here. I'm not going to move the pillow or anything, so I can sit back a little bit deeper, but I got about an inch or so on either side of me, so I'm not cramped up into this. Also on the dinette, you can see here, my belly is not hitting the table. Very comfortable all the way throughout, very manageable. I think people are going to really like that, especially if you are of the bigger variation. All right, so storage up here. I mean, I don't even know what the heck that is, that strut system. Ooh, it stops all the way through and then it soft closes at the end. That is nice. Touch screens up here. I don't want to go too much into the chassis because I don't want to get, you know, lying to you, but it's the Freightliner, and you can see you got screens all over the place. You got cameras all over the place too, so you'll be able to see what's going on behind you. As far as the air suspension for this, or the air, you see how I just ducked down in there pretty darn good. Again, really nice and comfortable, you know, once you seek into it. So I already went over the recliners here, but you are going to get a couple cup holders as well for a couple cold cans of apple juice. You got a place for maybe a book or two, you know, your remotes and all that. You're also going to get extend and retract right over here. You got, it looks like a little bit of lumbar support there for the headpiece as well. And then you're going to see, you know, you have your recliners. All of the windows are going to be tinted. You got a nice little light over here. As far as height is concerned, you know, 6 foot, maybe 6'1" with the Skechers and the hat on, but you're looking at about 6'5" would be my best guess. Now, right on over here, you got some touch controls up on the wall. You also have an outlet. See what kind of bed that they're rocking? Yeah, so it's going to be a little trifold action. So that'd be great for the grandkids. And then, of course, the dinette. Now we'll give you a little closer look at it. But again, the big boy fits into it. And you got yourself USB, universal C, a couple cup holders, each and every single one of these lights too that you notice with this little arrow. That arrow is going to indicate it that it is on a dimmer. So if you want to do, like, let's just say the main lights, you know, you're going to click and hold, see it how it's dimming down for you. And then that little flash is telling me that it's going back up. So, you know, dimmers, undims, whatever you want to say it there. But you can set the mood right with honey buns, have a good time. You guys are having some TV right here. It is going to be also on the swivel, so you can pull that out and do with what you will, you know, on that. You also got a little place where you can do something, maybe like a little vacuum or something might be nice. Then, of course, you got a place, you know, where you can hang a hoodie on me. As we're coming on over to the kitchen, again, we have the cafe appliances, but you also have the true induction cooktop. So if you are bringing the grandkids with you, it's a great place to, it's a little less of a fear factor for you. You know, it's got the magnetic, you put the special plates on there, and you are ready to rock. And then when you take it off, that heat, you know, kind of disappears there for you. I know I don't like to do dishes, and I'm sure you don't either, so now you don't have to. With the cafe appliances, baby. All dovetail for the construction there too as well. And then you have one of the fanciest microwaves I've ever seen with the cafe. It's also going to be an air fryer convection microwave. A little bit of overhead storage conveniently right above the sink. And I love the fact that you get little drying racks and a place to maybe put like a brush or something with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. It's also going to be solid surface countertops. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. I appreciate you letting me come down here for Florida for a couple days. Next week, I'm actually doing some work with NASCAR down at Talladega. So that'll be pretty fun. Different style of video coming out. I'm actually hiring a videographer and editor for that to, you know, kind of help me out, which is pretty darn neat. I can't complain about that. I'm hoping I can hire somebody full time if, you know, funds allow. So we'll see. Open that thing up, and I mean, look at that. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Man, I just love that. Just how cool is that? It reminds me of like a project I did, you know, when I was younger. We did like the stained glass. Obviously, it's tile, and it's a little bit nicer than what I did. It's not having the big the big like chunks of metal just hanging in there. You know, where you put like the copper tape on the sides. That was always pretty fun. I should do that with my daughter, actually. My daughter would love that. We got 4 kids, if you guys are new to the channel. Look at that, that's awesome. You also have the adjustable shelving as well, and then the foldable shelving that's just nice. Just nice. That's all there is to say about it. All right. If you like to do laundry, you have the ability to do laundry right into here. And then I'm sure you're going to want to put some detergent somewhere, so you got a nice little area. And again, just notice how quiet that AC is. All right. I like how you got the control center up there too. It's nice to have it kind of up and out of the way. It's cool. Max air fans, that'll be located right there. The old Steamer Stink Sucker 5000, so it'll be able to, you know, aerate this out pretty good. You also do have the shades right over here as well. So if you want to go ahead and just like close that, it's just a click of a button and you're good to go. And then you're back up. So you got your half Dracula, your full Dracula. It's also an emergency exit. So pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry, or you can leave the window open and use it as like a friendly neighbor situation. Boom! Pretty darn cool. Got your porcelain little bolski there. Place where you can put like a, maybe like a guest toothbrush or something. All right, here into the bedroom. You can obviously see you got a bed. I'm gonna guess that that's gonna be a king size bed. It looks really nice. You also have countertops on both sides. So if you're doing your CPAPs or anything of that nature, does that control the lights right up there? Sure does, love that. You got your outlet, you got another control panel right here. So again, you can do all of the, you know, all the different lightings on the interior, exterior. Let's go ahead and get this thing fully lit up, why not? You can also control, you know, your ACs, your slides. Everything's in one little spot there. You got the Oasis heater, so that's gonna be nice. And then this bathroom is, you know, absolutely fantastic. Can't complain about the bathroom here. I don't even have to sit down to tell you that there's enough room there. But you got storage for like your TP. That'd be a great place for it and a great depth for it. Another emergency exit. And I like how they switched up the coloring of the wall. Just kind of makes it, you know, the ceiling just looks a little nicer in here. It's, for some reason, it's glowing off really nice with those accent lighting. Now the shower in this thing. Can you open that both ways? Yeah, you definitely can. I like to see that, but man, this shower is awesome. One, you have the gold, you know, kind of handles and all that, kind of going with the rest of the coach. You also have a little spray port, which is always nice, you know, get all the cracks and crevices for you. But you got yourself enough room, 6 foot, 320, 330. You have enough room to fit about 2 of me in there, so it's going to get a roundy rating of a full 2. You could probably do a, we'll do a 2.5 flats. So this is one of the bigger showers that I've ever been in. It's also going to be nice because it is about 6'7", 6'8" for head height too. And you got the old Steamer Stink Sucker right there as well. Hopefully I didn't give you too much whiplash here as we're turning around. But I mean, look at this, look at that shower. And again, this does open up both ways. But all right, guys, maybe drop a comment. Let me know what you think here of the interior. Now we're going to go around on the outside and kind of show you what she's all about. Open up some of the storage. But I would greatly appreciate it if you guys, you know, left me a little feedback on this thing. Showed me a little bit of love. Show me a little bit of love. Feeling fancy. They ordered lunch for us too. I got a. They're like, yeah, we're getting. So this is actually kind of funny. You know, they're all like pretty well off, obviously. You know, the owner and the CFO or CMO or whatever the MO titles is, OO. But they said, hey, we're getting seafood. And I checked out this place and I'm like sitting there, I'm like, man, I'll do the cod BLT. It's like, there's like ahi tuna, like pretzel crusted ahi tuna. And I'm over there getting a cod BLT. Sure, it's fried cod too. It's probably like the most generic thing that a guy could get with my status here. So up on the front, we're going to go over this one more time. So it is the 2026 ShowHauler Adventure A4501, 1,400 miles. 832,473 smackaroonies. I like the look here of that front. That Freightliner badge, typically I'm not a big badging kind of guy, but I think it looks really sharp. Also on the steps themselves, they got kind of that, kind of like that like Rhino Flex type material. It actually looks like these might open up as well. Cool, so that's where you're gonna be filling it up. That's pretty darn neat to see that. So it's all tucked away and you know, accounted for. But look at the bracing on those slides. I don't even know what kind of slide type that is. I'll have to learn up a little bit about that. But you got your slide toppers right there. Gotta love it. Just stopping some stuff from getting up on top of it. I mean, who wants to do, you know, too much maintenance on these things? I'm sure you're spending, well, I mean, you are spending some pretty good money. So, you know, why would you want anything else? He's got a 2-year warranty on this thing, variable 1 to 6 year, engine 5 year, you know, generator 3 years, and the transmission for 5 years. So you're well within, you know, all of that. But take a look at this here, and then let's get it open up some of the storage. The nice thing about these slides too is they're not overly hanging aggressive. But they provide enough space so that way you can actually get to everything. You know, a couple of these motorhomes that I go to, the difficulty is really, you know, getting to the slides without bonking your head. You got USBs, you got your clips sound bar along with a TV to, you know, obviously watch some movies, maybe the game. We got NBA playoffs, you know, coming up. You got a little storage. I like how these open up. And then you can boom. You got your sewer kit right there too, so that's going to be nice. Boom, baby. You got an electric cooler, which is pretty nice. It's also got that rough, tough kind of beat me up material there. So you just pull those 2 clips and yank it out. Now you can get easy inside and outside access. You got the Michelin tires. So they're 295-80R 22.5s. Little water filtration system right there, so can't complain about that. I kind of like doing this part because I'm kind of learning with you a little bit. The thermal research, advanced diesel heating and hot water solutions. Look at that. That is a big old system right there. I'm going to go home and read about that for a couple of hours, that is for sure. So right back here, you got a little system. Kind of reminds me of that Gen Y system, just a hair. But yeah, it looks pretty darn nice. I mean, you got your hooks, you got everything that you need. You got a 7-way. You also have another backup camera going directly down here, and you got another one up here on the roof as well. So you have another one right there so you can see what's going on behind you while you're driving down the road. Just make life a little bit easier. And then coming out the side, I mean, look how nice the back of this thing looks. Coach pump, water fill, black tank flush, low point, outside shower, all that good stuff all located right there. You see that it closes up really nice and easy for you as well. You got your power cord reel. That's your water filtration system actually, so I guess it's on both sides. Black tanky tank flush. Generator, it's got the 12,500 Onan. So that is a big boy. So this is going to be your Victron section right here. So there's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of money's going in right here in this picture. Charge controllers and all that. Again, you got the solar panels there up top as well. But look how that closed there automatically for you once you get to a certain point. And then, holy smokes, holy battery system. Jeez, oh Pete. That is incredible. But all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I know on the outside here we kind of got hustling. But again, the 2026 ShowHauler Adventure A4501 down here at the Motorcoach Store. My name is Hunter. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you.